In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Analytics to GA4. I'm starting here on my computer, and the first thing I'm doing is opening a web browser and logging into Google Analytics with the account that has admin access. Once I'm signed in, I'm taken to the main dashboard where all properties and reports are managed. Now I'm looking at the bottom left corner of the screen and clicking on Admin. I'm selecting that now because this is where all account level and property level settings are controlled in Google Analytics. Once the admin panel opens, I'm focusing on the middle section under data collection and modification. From here, I'm clicking on data streams. I'm selecting that now because this is where GA4 setup happens for tracking website data. Now I'm choosing web as the platform type. I'm clicking that option and it opens a setup screen where I can connect my website to Google Analytics 4. At this point, I'm entering my website URL and giving the stream a name. I'm typing it in carefully so it matches the actual website I want to track. This step is important because it ensures the data is linked to the correct site. Once everything is filled out, I'm clicking create and continue. I'm selecting that now, and Google Analytics generates a new GA4 data stream for the website. After the stream is created, I'm shown a setup page with a measurement ID. I'm focusing on that because this ID is what connects your website to GA4 tracking. Now I'm using the provided measurement ID to install the tag. This can be added to your website manually or through a tag manager depending on how your site is set up. I'm taking that ID and making sure it is properly placed so tracking can begin. Once the tag is installed, GA4 starts collecting data from your website in real time. You can then verify everything is working by checking the real-time reports inside Google Analytics. And that's it. You've now seen how to convert Google Analytics to GA4, from accessing the admin panel and setting up a data stream, to entering your website details and installing the measurement ID so tracking begins properly.